Who knows a joke? Put your hand up if you know a joke.
Who invented the first bicycle? I don't know either, but it's a really good idea.
Why did the cow cross the road? Because it was going to the movies. What did Saturn say to Mars? Ring me sometime.
That was a good one.
What do you call a lady with a sheep on her head? Barbara.
Packaging your product is no joke. It's always a privilege to be involved in the protection of children, and I'm always impressed when visiting schools, especially primary schools like Swanland, where we are today, by how your perception changes as you get older.
My grandpa and my mum, they both have tablets and they look exactly like this.
Children perceive things differently. It's a critical lesson in packaging. The desires of brand owners and the risk to children are often at variance with each other. Child-resistant packaging has never been a greater challenge as a result.
Who knows where the grown-ups keep the medicine in your house?
In a high cupboard so me and my brother can't reach them. In a high cupboard. We have a cupboard under the sink.
Depending on the toxicity of your product and the geographical market you're supplying, packaging needs to be independently tested from two important perspectives. ISO 8317, or 16 CFR in the US, covers child resistance. This includes your packaging being submitted to a supervised cohort of children aged between 42 and 51 months. The children are given 2 5-minute periods in which they try to gain access to the product. Testing is carried out by UCAS accredited agencies, usually in a preschool environment. The other test procedure measures the adult or senior openability of your packaging. The adult test takes a panel of 100 adults aged between 50 and 70 years. The protocol measures how successfully your packaging can be opened and resecured. For products intended for the US market, the adult test is conducted first, meaning the children are testing packaging already opened and resecured by adults. Despite the best efforts to design effective packaging systems, there's no substitute for keeping all medicine out of sight and reach of children. Children are learning by example. They study our actions and often surprise us with how quickly they become adept at mimicking our ways. As brand owners, we have a duty to mitigate these risks effectively. At Origin, we provide the expertise to achieve this whilst protecting your brand.